do that.
Paultons Park.
And what ride are we just about to go on? Storm Chase?
Storm Chaser.
You looking forward to this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
High five.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Tornado spin.
Oh.
Oh, here we go. This bit. Oh. There we go. Spin. Oh, it didn't quite. Oh, it didn't spin very much. Was that good?
Yeah.
Here we go on Windmill Towers. Looking forward to this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom.
Boom!
Going up in the sky.
Whoa!
That's a new coaster.
Yeah, that's a new one. Ready?
Yeah.
And oh, we're spinning.
I want to go now.
Whee! Oh, you want to go trekking tractors? Yeah.
Spinning now.
No!
Look, I don't want.
Whee!
Look like
Hands in here.
High five.
Oh.
High five.
Hey!
Last more drop.
One more will drop. Whoa! Oh, and again. Oh, again. Yay! Give a big thumbs up. Say thank you. I think he enjoyed it.
What's this one? Corn. Corn, Dad.
Ah.
Corn, Dad.
Oh yeah, it's corn.
It's growing. What's this one?
Pancakes and syrup here. I've got myself a hot coffee and a fruit shoot. That came to about £10. So we're going to give these pancakes a try, aren't we, Jackson?
Yeah.
Yeah. How was your pancakes and bacon?
Good.
Good. And would you say it's really nice?
Thumbs up and enjoy this video. Tell your adults and subscribe. And tomorrow we're going camping.
There we go. So yeah, so really good food. Enjoy the coffee. Yeah, lovely. Honestly, I think Paultons Park. So I've got you on chest mount. Paultons Park probably does some of the best theme park food in the country now for us. Oh, Mr. Wasp. Here we go. We're on a Velociraptor now, aren't we?
Yeah. We're going to go to home of the house.
Oh, look how high they are. Oh! It's even worse backwards. Is that good, Jackson? It made you giddy.
This morning, he is Mr. Tornado Springs. Come and meet my best friend. Don't get jealous, this young man loves Tornado Springs. More than he loves you, don't you do? Yeah? No, if he does, his best ride is the Storm Chaser. Am I right? Yeah, see, I remember. Yeah, don't get jealous, don't get jealous. Do you want a photograph taken? You understand how a photograph taken?
Go stand there.
Mr. Storm Chaser.
Turn round.
Mr. Storm Chaser, look at Rachel Lee!
Yay!
Look at that!
Oh, it's alright, I've got it. You can say thank you.
There you go. See, I'll see you twice in one day now.
Yes, I'll probably see us again later. Right, thank you.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, bye. Bye, Spike.
You're super brave, Mr. Tornado Springs. Have a
Thank
lovely
you.
day.
Have a great day. This way. So you got the sky swinging there, which is a nice little ride. We went on that last time, didn't we? So we're going to try and get on Flight Pterosaur now. Hopefully the queue's not too big, isn't that right, Jackson? There you go. That's good, doesn't it? Okay, should we stop recording?
No.
Yeah, stop recording now.
This is funny, we're going the wrong way. Whoa, Daddy! It's spinning! We need to hit them then.
So Paultons Park also has a little water splash area. It's normally running a bit more water than this, but yeah, a little splash area there. Bit cold today for the kids. Coming in, kitty dog. Jackson's got a kids burger, and we've got, there you go, comes to £20. So I'll give you a quick food review afterwards. Yeah. How was your burger? Nice? But it was in shape of a star, wasn't it? But you liked my hot dog more, didn't you? Yeah, I had a chili hot dog. And the fries, you're loving them, aren't you? So, the donut was good. So would you eat it? Had chocolate inside. Nice, wasn't it? So yeah, so that was nice. It's still raining outside, so we might get out there in a bit, get waterproofed up and go back outside. George's Dinosaur. Great little ride, this one.
Like a whale. Look at that cow there. There's a big cow there.
Yeah.
Oh, what's on there? Plum.
Apples.
Apple. They look like plums. What is on here? What is in here then?
Who's that?
Oh look.
Is that Grandad Pig?
What is in
I don't know.
there? Tomato and carrots.
Carrots and oh, smile, 7.5 mile speed camera. Oh, we're going to get a photo taken. So we're just about to go on the Queen's Carriage ride, which takes you around the park.
Hello.
Jackson's falling in love with Peppa Pig again.
Hello to you all.
Hello, Queen. Welcome to my castle. Thank you, Your Majesty. Would you like a little tour? Yes, please. Then off we go. Yippee! Ooh, we are very high up, Your Majesty.
Oh, whee! Oh, isn't it marvelous? One does love to fly.
I can see everything.
Yes, one can see all around. Oh, wave to everyone.
Waving.
Go on, taste that.
I'll think we've give that one little miss.
Can I play that?
It's quite a long queue. Have a look when we get down there. It says 15 minutes. Yeah.
What do you know about buried treasure?
Well, I have been to Pilot Island, Your Majesty.
Oh, how exciting. Oh, my. What's all that commotion over there?
It's Mr. Bull digging up the road.
Gracious. Who else can you spot?
There's Grumpy Rabbit's sailing club.
Ahoy there, Captain.
Hello, Grumpy Rabbit.
It's so hot.
So, did you enjoy the Queen's Flying Coach ride?
Yeah!
So we're just doing Grampy Rabbit's boat ride. We came in to Peppa Pig Land around about 3 o'clock, 3, something like that, after looking at the penguins. Managed to do 3 rides in half an hour. So, just shows that if you come a bit later in the day, I know it's been raining, a bit later, quietens down.
Later, there's going to be penguins feeding penguins.
We've missed the... Yeah.
I'm going back to the castle.
Going under the castle. We're still going.
And that bit's finished.
Yeah.
It's not long.
Not that long, no. Yeah, so like I was saying, we got in here around about 3 o'clock, and we've done 3 Peppa Pig rides. Done George's Dinosaur, this one, and the Sky Ride, which are 3 of the most popular ones.
Daddy,
So we're gonna try and hop over and have a look tomorrow.
Can we go in the play barn?
Play barn?
The play.
No, we're gonna go over and see the penguins. See if they've been fed. See if they are being fed. We might be a bit late. So yeah, there you go. So we've just done Grampy's Rabbit boat ride. Done, I can't remember, flying carriages. So here we go. You had a good day so far, Jackson? Yeah. I wish she'd been sat in there all the time, has she?
You can fish. Eat them.
Right, so we had a fantastic day here today at Paultons Park in the rain. Yeah, it was quite busy, but we managed to do loads of different rides. Most of them were the coasters.
But some break down.
But we had a breakdown on Velociraptor, but they got us off very quickly, managed to get over the other sides of the park to go and do Storm Chaser. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and
Bye.
subscribe.
I know.
Stop.